BT gang, man, what's happening, man? Back with a banger, back with something legendary, back where you know how I do it, you feel me? Back with
another one.
Yes, I know it's probably been a minute, man, since y'all seen me post a video. I really just been out here handling business, man. I'm looking rough, you know what I'm saying? I need to get my hair retwisted, I need to get a haircut, man. Yes, sir. But this your first time visiting the channel, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, man. That's when I drop the banger, man. You can notify that the banger has been dropped. For all your merch, man, follow go_GetThisNation on IG. I'm also doing custom shirts, man. So you ever want some custom shirts, man, you can hit me on the go_GetThisNation IG, or you can email me at gogetthisnation20@gmail.com. You know what I'm saying? So you want to put a logo on the shirt or anything like that, man, definitely hit me up, man, and I'll see if I can do it. I can't do everybody's stuff, you know what I'm saying? Some of y'all want the screen print. I do not do screen printing right now because I don't know how to do it. But if it's anything with vinyl or anything like that, man, I got you. You feel me? But follow the couple channel, man, that True Love TV, man, TRULV space TV. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be dropping more on that channel as well. We literally just been handling business, man. Me and my girl been handling business. You know what I'm saying? Blessings on blessings on blessings has came. Having a little car trouble right now, man. You see Issa just sitting over here. We'll get into that in a minute. Blessings on blessings has been showering over us, but the devil is working. You feel me? But I'm not gonna let the devil take me out. You feel me? But yeah, man. Follow the couples channel. Follow the couples IG, man. That's True Love _TV, man. TRULV_TV. Follow my bro Kansas Life 12, man. Follow my boy Fiero Boy 86. Follow my boy Gray's World, man. You know what I'm saying? He doing big things with them box trucks. You know what I'm saying? He's about to go get him another one, man. I'm proud of my big bro. You know what I'm saying? Follow my boy Mozzie, man. All that. It's a Hemi life, man. It's Staple Lonzo, man. It's all over there, man. But so definitely, I'm just sitting out here waiting on my girl to get here because my car is not starting right now. Yesterday I was driving home from work, and I started hearing like this weird noise or whatever. I just kind of thought maybe I was just like running on the side of the highway or something like that, but I was literally like right in the middle. But it will only do it like around like 42, 43 miles an hour. Like slowing down to 42 or going past or going like 42 and up, it would do it like at 42, 43 miles an hour, like a little like rubbing, vibrating sound or something like that. So I kind of thought, I was like, well, maybe it's probably my wheel bearings or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Those do need to be changed. I've been talking about it. I need to get those changed for a minute. But I figured that's what it was, you know? Then all of a sudden my battery light just comes on. Now, if y'all didn't watch that one video when my alternator went out, the battery light came on just like that. It said check generator. If you got a Toyota or a Lexus or anything like that, usually if the battery is going bad, it'll say like check generator or something like that. Or the alternator is going bad, it'll say check generator. So it popped up on my screen, said check generator, and it said limited electrical equipment, something like that. But I never lost any power on my car. Like I never lost the power, nothing. So I changed my alternator last year, so I know it's definitely not my alternator. So the battery was from 320. So the guy at AutoZone definitely blessed me with a new battery for free. You feel me? I got a new battery for free. Figured that was it. It's not it. It's literally just doing this. Watch. So like I can press it. It's reading everything, and everything's turning up like this, but it don't start. It don't start at all, man. Look. So I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's like a little popping noise, like it's trying to. I feel like it's a starter. Listen. Let me close the door so y'all can hear it. Listen. So it's like a little popping noise. So I feel like it's a starter, man. Comment down below. Let me know if it's a starter or not. Like I said, it all boils down to the starter. This is an older car. It is an 07. It got, you know, some miles on it or whatever and whatnot. So I'm pretty sure just like little stuff like that is gonna happen to the car. So I'm not really tripping about it because I can always just go get the parts. Like I said, the starter's not that much, but it is like a 5.5 hour job for the starter. But yeah, man. So just sitting here waiting on my girl to get here. I'm gonna definitely be dropping more videos for y'all, man. It's just the car scene, bro. Listen, the car scene is so saturated right now. A lot of people, you know what I'm saying, like they just think if they get a car, you know what I'm saying, you start YouTube, you get rich. Nah, bro, it's not like that. Don't get me wrong, I do have fun doing YouTube and whatever and whatnot, but you know what I'm saying, I want to bring y'all quality content, not just quantity of content. I want to bring quality. So my last video was like a month ago. I think it was like a month ago, to be honest. Don't be alarmed, man. I will get myself together this weekend. It is hot. But I guess we'll stand out here. But y'all see, man, I'm over here just chilling. Got the hood popped open. You know what I'm saying? Easter still looking good, man. I definitely got to go get this fixed. But as you see, my underglow is on. But for some reason, my car won't start. But I'm gonna go get this fixed and everything like that. You ain't watched that video. Some dude hit me at the gas station. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna get that fixed. But yeah, man, the car scene is so saturated right now, man. So I kind of want to bring something different else to the channel. I still will be doing like my car, like the rebuild of my car. I will still be doing that. But I also want to bring other stuff to the channel, man. So you want to see like other stuff, man, comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see. And I'll make that happen, man. I'm thinking about doing like some car reviews and everything like that. Probably some little skits, you know what I'm saying? Like I definitely want to, cause Black Tuxedo is just, you know what I'm saying, like that name could be anything, you know what I'm saying? So I can literally do anything I want to do to my channel, plus the car, you know what I'm saying? So don't sleep on the Lexus, don't sleep on Issa. Issa is gonna be back and up and running pretty soon. And I'm about to do a lot of stuff to it, man. It's gonna be a brand new car when I get done with it, man. But tired of standing. But yeah, the car scene is so saturated. It's just like everybody's doing the same thing. They either get a mid-muffler delete, they get a wrap, stars in the ceiling, you know what I'm saying? I got stars in my ceiling, you know. But, you know, I was like, you know, like a lot of people, they only got Dodge Chargers and Dodge Challengers, you know what I'm saying? Like something Dodge. Like, I really don't see a lot of Trackhawks out there that much, but most people, they do get like a 392 or RT. Hell, they even get a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? But I just feel like there got to be something different out there, man. There got to be a new wave out there. Just, you know what I'm saying? Mopar was just the wave for right now, and it's still the wave right now. You know what I'm saying? But I just want to bring something different, bring something fun to the channel, and hope y'all enjoy it, man. We will be doing a lot of traveling videos. I know me and my girl, we talking about traveling quite a bit this year coming up in 2022. So we're gonna be traveling a lot. So I might post some of the stuff on my channel, but most of the stuff is gonna be on the couples channel, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna hold y'all, man, hold y'all long. But I'll just let y'all know, you know what I'm saying? Keep rocking with your boy, man, because I have not forgot about y'all. I love doing YouTube, but I definitely got to take care of home first. I definitely got to make sure that everybody on my team eat, you know what I'm saying? Including my kids, my girl, my mom, you know what I'm saying, my sister. I got to make sure everybody eat, you feel me? So I had to make some decisions to step away from YouTube for a little bit to make sure that I put myself in position where everybody can eat, you know what I'm saying? Everybody that in my corner that I want to eat, you know, that I want to eat, you know what I'm saying? That sounds weird. I want to make sure that people in my corner eat the way I eat. Yes, I guess that sounds weird too, but whatever. Y'all get what I'm saying, man. So I'm out here handling, just because you don't see me, you know what I'm saying, on YouTube posting what I do, you know what I'm saying, it doesn't mean I'm not working, you know what I'm saying? The t-shirt business has taken off. It's crazy. So be prepared for that. Like I said, you need anything custom, let me know. Vinyl only, you know what I'm saying? It has to be vinyl. I can do it on sweats, I can do it on joggers, t-shirts, hoodies. I ain't tried like Scully caps or nothing like that. I'm pretty sure I can probably do it too, you know what I'm saying? But anything with vinyl, bro, I can work it for y'all. But keep striving for greatness, man. Don't stop. Keep going. Little things to a giant. Y'all see Issa, man, she down right now, but it's okay. Little things to a giant, you know what I'm saying? We all gonna step back and we gonna step up, you feel me? You might get knocked down and you might fall, but don't stay down, you feel me? But y'all know how to do it, man. Dream it, believe it, build it. When you dream it, that means you believe it. When you believe it, that means you can build it. Don't let anybody else tell you otherwise. But in the meantime, in between time, man, till next video, BT gang.